Hello everyone, today let's make Kerala style prawn fry that comes together in exactly 15 minutes with very minimal ingredients and one special secret ingredient that makes it an absolute flavor bomb. This is very easy and absolutely delicious, so without further ado, let's get cooking. For this recipe, in a blender, add some fennel seeds and some cumin seeds along with some peppercorns. Now this could depend on your spice level, you could add more or less. Some ginger, few cloves of garlic, and about half an onion. And then the special ingredient is about half a teaspoon of tamarind paste. Then add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, some salt to taste, and grind them all together into a smooth paste-like consistency, just like this. I have about 250 to 300 grams of cleaned deveined prawns here. I'm going to marinate these prawns with the masala I blended earlier, just for about 5 minutes, not too long. Let it sit. Now in a pan, add some coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add some curry leaves first onto the pan. Once they are nice and crispy, add in your prawns. Try to spread the prawns so they all touch the pan, and make sure you cook for only about 3 minutes on each side because they tend to cook soon, and usually we tend to overcook the prawns. If you want them to be juicy and fully cooked, cook for only about 3 minutes on each side. Now you can see this one side is done. I'm going to flip them one by one just to make sure they are all evenly cooked. The other side is done as well. You can see the prawns are fully cooked, but there is a lot of masala left that is still moist. So I'm going to increase the heat and fry the masala until they are all completely dry, like this. I like it just the way it is right now. If you want it to be more dry, you could fry it for a little longer. And that's it. Your special Kerala style prawn fry is ready. Enjoy this with rice, roti, absolutely anything. You will love it. Try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.